my mother believed that there was that real Jewish soul was a Yiddish soul. I don't know how else to describe it. We're in a family of atheists, but proud Jews who are not interested in what the rabbis have to teach. Right? This was the sort of received identity. What I did with it later is a different issue. But the sense that I got from her was that anything that had a Yiddish word in it, that was like the salt in your food. That was the spark that brought something to life. And it wasn't the way people do now. People throw a Yiddish word in now as shtick. And this makes me very unhappy. People throw in a Yiddish word to make fun of something. And it's always off color, and it's always a kind of denigration, a schmuck, a putz, a mamzer, or they get it wrong. They have this sort of Americanized Yiddish, I'm so verklempt, and I hear my Italian friend go, oh, I'm so verklempt, And that wasn't what I mean by throwing a little Yiddish in. It was like you're throwing in a phrase when you know the whole song. You're throwing in a word, and the word sort of there's a certain dignity to it. I don't know how else to describe it. It wasn't shtick. It was, and I now write a blog sometimes about my process of learning Yiddish, and the way that I describe it is the differences between laughing in Yiddish and laughing at Yiddish. And I think now much too much of people think that they're paying homage to Yiddish and Yiddish culture. They think they're expressing their Jewish identity, but they're really expressing their distance from Judaism. And I don't know if you've experienced that, that the more you know about Yiddish as a real spoken language or as a real written language, the more peculiar it seems this relationship Americans have towards throwing in a Yiddish word here or a Yiddish word there. I mean, I still like it when a rapper says oy vey. Don't get me wrong. There is this, oh good, you're from New York too. There is a little bit of that in there, But a lot of the time it feels like it's not that thing that I got, that I witnessed as a child, which was that it was there at someone's left shoulder and they could go to it, that she could draw on Yiddish culture, on Yiddish language, and that it was always something positive if a Yiddish phrase popped in or if a Yiddish song was referred to.